If you want to fix Bluetooth issues on POCO F7, here's what you can do. So first of all, what we're gonna do is go to settings, open more connectivity options, and make sure that airplane mode is disabled. Sometimes we can turn this option on by accident, and of course this can be the reason why Bluetooth is not working at all. Besides that, over here we have reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth, and unfortunately we cannot separate these three things. So if you decide to actually reset the Bluetooth, you will also reset these two things as well. So remember to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks and check mobile data settings. Afterwards, if you decide to reset settings, this option is actually pretty good for solving issues. This allows you to reset pretty much everything that is related to Bluetooth, and of course these two other things as well. So you can give it a try. Besides that, if you don't want to do that right now, you can reset as the last step, as the last option, if nothing else helps. So once you go to Bluetooth settings, you might see Bluetooth version and there might be an update. So you want to make sure that Bluetooth is actually updated. So just download the update, let the phone run it, and then you want to restart it. And after that, we're gonna go back to Bluetooth settings if that didn't help. What you can also do is you can simply turn off your Bluetooth device if it's enabled, turn off Bluetooth, turn back on Bluetooth, and turn back on your Bluetooth device. Now, if you have been connected to your Bluetooth device before, but now you cannot really do that anymore, what you can do is you can tap on this arrow on the right side of your Bluetooth device and then just unpair it. After that, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna turn off and turn back on my Bluetooth device, and I'm gonna put it into the pairing mode in order to try to detect it again. So once we are in the pairing mode, we should be able to find it in the list of available devices. After some time, you will also see a refresh option over here. So you can tap on it in case you need to refresh the list of available devices. So then you can select your earbuds again, choose pair, and then it should work. Additional step that you can perform is go to additional settings, and over here we have, let's actually close this. We have the pair compatible devices option, which allows you to quickly connect earphones, speakers, and other compatible devices. You probably want to have this option enabled. However, if it's enabled and you cannot connect your Bluetooth device, you can just turn it off for now and then try to pair. And I think that's all that we can do in the settings in general. Another thing that you can do to solve issues with Bluetooth is factory reset or hard reset your Bluetooth device. This can be especially useful if you don't have a button that allows you to put your Bluetooth device into the pairing mode. So, of course, you need to remember that the Bluetooth device most likely cannot be connected to any other device. So you want to put it in pairing mode in order to be able to pair it with a new device. If it's not possible, perform factory reset of your Bluetooth device. I cannot really show you how to do that in your case because every Bluetooth device has its own way. Generally speaking, of course, it has its own way to factory reset. So you want to perform that and then just try to connect again. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.